Dear students and viewers, today's subject is about count your blessing, forget your misfortune. When you have misfortune, that time you have to count our blessing. I am a healthy man, I have a beautiful home, I have loving parents, I have enough money to live. But if you go on thinking higher and higher, you can't lead a happy life. Whatever you have now, be happy with you now and try. But don't get upset. I am not a richest man, I am not so and so. I have no other. They have more than 3, 4 cars and other riches. But control your that much thoughts. Control everything, your ambitions, then you can be happy. Always count our blessing before going to bed. Suppose you going to bed 10 o'clock, before going to bed, count your blessing. God, I am thankful to you. I am a healthy man. I have son and daughter, loving wife. I have a beautiful home. So this type of counting the blessing, God will increase your wealth. When you become humble and simple, wealth shine. Wealth shine when you want become humble and simple. There is another problem issue when the rich man becomes humble and simple, his wealth shine and lot of improvement. So be humble and simple. Always forget your misfortune. I don't have that much, I don't have this much. So whatever is now, you be satisfied. Before you think further about, I can't conquer everything. I can't conquer the most important things. See, Alexander the Great conquered all over the world. He came to India also. Just see what happened. Before his death, Alexander told his relatives, after my death, don't fold my hand in the coffin. मृत्यु के बाद कहा था ऐसा नहीं करना है. Keep open. Because he said, I came to this world with a bare hand, an empty hand. So I am living with an empty hand. So the relatives followed what is told. Is while keeping the dead body in the coffin, his hand kept open. I came to this world without anything. An empty hand I came, now I am living with empty hand. So always count your blessing. The quality of your daughter, quality of your son. My son is an engineer, my son is a doctor, my daughter is a lady doctor. So this counting, this blessing shall count. Then you can lead a peaceful and happy life. Because life is like that. When you forget your misfortune, then you can collect, you get more energies and all. It's based upon your willpower. If you are able to count your blessing, automatically you will forget your misfortune. That is what I am telling you. Many people in this world always think negatively. I don't have that much, this much. This type of things, you have to count your blessing and forget your misfortune, then only you can lead a happy life. Otherwise it will be a problem for you. That is what I am telling you. All my students, you should follow this advice. It is okay for your life. Then only you can lead a happy life. That is for suggestion for this tomorrow. Otherwise it will be a problem for your life. I suggest this thing. You can put in practice. Within a few days you can record the result of this. That's my have a nice day. Okay?